Hi, I'm the Toy Mom, and today we're going to be opening some surprise eggs. Sometimes they have candy, sometimes they have toys, sometimes they have stickers. Let's get going. Here we have a Planes, Disney Planes egg. Candy. Stickers. There's Dusty, and Echo, and Skipper, and El Chupacabra. Our toy is a yo-yo with Bravo. The next egg is a Spider-Man egg from Choco Treasures. It's milk chocolate. Choco Treasures is the only egg sold in the United States, and here's one of the reasons why. Is it's a little hard to open, but there we go. And it has Spider-Man, 12 Spider-Man collectible action figures. Let's see what we got. First is this little Martian looking guy. It's pretty cute. This is a Kinder Egg. On the front it said Überraschung. It's German for surprise. I like their chocolate. Gives me energy to open this. Oh, Mickey. You have a little disc that comes with him. Don't need that. Let's see, it's in German. Mickey Mouse. Look at the language. And it looks like that disc can be flipped like a soccer ball. And here's the other toys. There's all we got today in our 3 eggs. We have toys and candy and stickers and flyers. Next, you'll be able to choose another of my surprise eggs videos or one of my other videos to watch. My picture is always in the corner, like these 4 examples. And please, don't forget to subscribe.